Now question of the day, find the magnitude of frictional force and acceleration of the block. Okay, so how can be determined? First of all, in given figure, mu is given. Mu means coefficient of static friction and coefficient of kinetic friction, both value are same, that is 0.2. okay, and that block 5 kg block, okay, and here 200 Newton force on the horizontal direction on the block, okay. Now, and that surface is rough surface. Why? Because mu is given, that's why. Now, if make free body diagram, if 200 Newton force on 5 kg block in this direction, then normal force applied by that wall in this which direction? Like that one, always perpendicular surface, so written like that one, okay. Now second one, weight always work on downward, so 5 into g. If g is taken 10, so 5 into 10, this is equal to 50 Newton, okay. Represent that like that one. Frictional force act always oppose the motion, okay. So frictional force work on this direction. After that, look here. Now this block is not moving in x direction, so net force in x direction is 0. So net force in x direction is 0. So you can say that n1 this is equal to 200 Newton. Both are opposite direction, that's why n1 this is equal to 200 Newton. After that, what about frictional force? FL and FK. FL means limiting frictional force and kinetic friction, both are same because mu is same. So that value is mu into n1. Mu is 0.2, n1 is 200. So that is how much? 40 Newton. Okay. Now this block is moving or not decided by which one? Driving force. Driving force is how much? 50 Newton, and that one going on downward direction. So that force is greater than limiting friction force. That force is greater than limiting friction force. That's why this block is moving. Okay. So you can say that here apply Newton's second law. Newton's second law say unbalanced force is equal to mass into acceleration. So unbalanced force here in y direction, downward direction, 50 minus frictional force, 50 minus frictional force, this is equal to mass into acceleration. During motion, which frictional force act? Limiting or kinetic friction. So kinetic friction is 40. So 50 minus 40 is equal to mass into A. So 5 into A. Okay. So A is equal to 2 meter per second square. So acceleration of the block 2 meter per second square, and kinetic friction limiting during motion, which frictional force act? Kinetic. That one is how much? 40 Newton.